Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, February the 5th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a total of 6 awesome deals for us. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. Also, it is very important that you scan each item in the app when you are in the store to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first I'll ring up all of my items, then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more, and keep in mind that is before taxes. If your store has the newer keypads in place, you'll have to ask your cashier what your subtotal is. If they still have the older keypads at your store, it will actually show you your subtotal on the screen. Next, I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you still have the older keypads at your store, it will actually show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. And always keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction, regroup, and try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will also still work, so make sure that you get those back. But if you complete the transaction, you lose all of your digital coupons even if you return those items. There's no way to get your digitals or your paper coupons back. Alright guys, so before we get into our scenarios for this week, I wanted to share with y'all 3 deals that I did on January the 26th. These were 5 off $25 scenarios, and I was going to share them with y'all last week, but honestly, with all of the craziness of the Dollar General clearance event, it just slipped my mind. But anyways, I'm pretty proud of these deals. I ended up getting a lot of paper products on the 26th, but keep in mind we still had those high value insert coupons. I think it was like an 8 off 2 for the big razors. So there's a lot of razors included in these transactions, but I also took advantage of some Airwick overage. So as y'all can see in this picture here, I picked up that little purple Airwick, and with the digital coupon, it gave me overage as well. So for this entire transaction, I paid just $1.50 for all 9 items, making each one just 16 cents each. So here's the magic of the 5 off $25 scenarios. If y'all can combine a lot of the high value coupons, you end up with a really low out-of-pocket deal. Alright guys, so for this next deal, I actually had one little hiccup with this one because I had already used my Crest coupon on this account, so I didn't get that $1 in overage, but it's still okay because $3.22 for 14 items or 23 cents each I will take any day of the week. So as you can see in this picture here, I took advantage of a lot of those high value coupons that we had back then. We had the Bic Razor coupon, we had the Chic Razor coupon, we had the free Bic pens, plus the Centrum vitamins and the Nivea lotion. And I even found the Shea Moisture. We had a high value coupon for that one, as well as Airwick, and I took advantage of the overage for that. And then on top of it, I found a penny buy drink. So here's just a quick look at my receipt. Again, $3.22 for 14 items, making each one just 23 cents each. And in my third and final transaction, I took advantage of the instant savings on Scott and Cottonelle products. Now, we did have digital coupons for Scott and Cottonelle, and we also had insert coupons for the Cottonelle bath tissue. So I took advantage of all of those savings, plus I threw in some more Bic razors. I took advantage of the Crest overage, the freebie Bic pens, and I found some more Airwick, and I took advantage of that overage as well. And in this transaction, I ended up paying $1.86 for all 13 items, making each one just 14 cents each. Now, it's not every single week that we can get deals like this, but when everything lines up and we have a lot of high value coupons to work with, it is very easy to go into DG and get a really super low out-of-pocket deal. And just a little tip, if y'all save those glitches that give y'all overage, like right now we have the Crest and Oral-B coupons, if y'all save those for Saturday scenarios, you're going to end up with a really low out-of-pocket deal. Alright guys, so let's see what we have going on for this week. Now I told you all in the good deals and glitch list video that I would be including a couple of spend deals with our 5 off $25 scenarios, and we're going to call this double dipping, okay? We're going to be taking advantage of that spend deal going on at Dollar General this week, plus our 5 off 25. So first up, I have a little diaper scenario for us. So if you want to pick up one of the jumbo packs of Love's diapers, that's going to be $14. One pack of Love's diapers at $7. One of the Microban multi-purpose sprays for $3.25. One of the Microban disinfectant sprays at $5.50. And 3 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $3. Your subtotal is going to be $31.95. And here are your coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Loves, the 2 50 off 1 Loves, the 2 off 1 Microban multi-purpose spray, the 2 off 1 Microban disinfectant spray, the 1 off 1 Crest, and the 3 off 2 Crest. And that is going to leave you paying $15.25 out of pocket, but you're going to get back a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, and that's going to make your final price $10.25 for all 8 items, making each one just $1.28 each. Alright guys, and here is another double dip deal that you can do this Saturday at Dollar General. So you can pick up one of the Charmin 12 count bath tissues at $5, 2 of the Dawn dish soaps at $5.50, one of the Microban multi-purpose sprays at $3.25, one of the Microban disinfectant sprays at $5.50, one Swiffer duster starter kit at $5, one Febreze plug-in at $2.95, 3 of the Oral-B deep clean toothbrushes at $4.50, those were $1.50 each, and 1 Vicks VapoCool cough drops for $1 found in the dollar aisle. Your subtotal will be $32.70. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, your 5 off 25, the 25 cents off 1 Charmin, the 2 off 1 Microban multi-purpose spray, the 2 off 1 Microban disinfectant spray, the 1 off 1 Swiffer, the 2 off 1 Febreze plug-in, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, and the 1 off 1 Vicks VapoCool cough drops. And that's going to leave you paying $15.45 out of pocket, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, and that's going to make your final price $10.45 for all 11 products, making each one just 95 cents each. Alright guys, so now we're going to move on into our regular 5 off $25 scenarios. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the All Snuggle or Purex products at $9. 2 of the True Living Ultra dish soaps for $3.50. These are kind of the knockoff brand of Dawn dish soap. 1 of the Febreze plug-ins at $2.95. 1 of the Microban multi-purpose sprays at $3.25. 1 of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops for $1. And 6 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $6. Those are $1 each, found in the dollar aisle. Your subtotal is going to be $25.70. And the coupons that you're going to use is your 5 off 25, your 4 off 2 All Snuggle and Purex, the 2 off 1 Febreze plug-in, the 2 off 1 Microban multi-purpose spray, the 1 off 1 Vicks VapoCool cough drops, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, and the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $2.70 for all 13 items, making each one just 20 cents each. Alright, next up, we have a little personal care deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Shea Moisture African soaps for $5, 2 of the Nivea lotions for $7.30, those are $3.65 each, 1 of the Right Guard Sport deodorants for $1.69, 2 of the Head & Shoulders eucalyptus scent for $8, those are $4 each, 1 of the Tone body washes for $3, and 6 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $6, those are $1 each. Your subtotal will be $30.99. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Shea Moisture, the 2 off 1 Nivea Lotion, the 3 off 1 Nivea Lotion, the 1 off 1 Right Guard, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 1 off 1 Dial or Tone, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B products, and your subtotal after coupons will be $4.99 for 13 items, making each one just 38 cents each. Alright guys, so for this next little deal, I have a cat food deal for us. Now there is a little typo in here, but the math is still correct, okay? So for this one, you want to pick up one of the 3.15 pound bags of cat chow for $5.95, 3 of the Fancy Feast trays for $3, those are $1 each, 10 of the 9 Lives cans of wet cat food for $4, 1 of the Nivea lotion at $3.65. So there's our typo, but again, the math is still correct. Then you want to pick up one of the Febreze plugins for $2.95 and 6 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $6. Your subtotal is going to be $25.55. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Cat Chow, the 150 off 3 Fancy Feast, the 3 off 1 Nivea Lotion, the 2 off 1 Febreze, the 1 off 1 Crest Toothpaste, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, and the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B products. Your subtotal after coupons will be $4.05 for 22 items, making each one just 18 cents each. And of course, I can't give y'all a cat food deal without giving y'all a dog food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the 4-pound bags of dog chow for $10. Those are $5 each. 1 of the 4.4-pound bags of puppy chow for $5.25. 1 Nivea lotion at $3.65. And 6 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $6. Those are $1 each. Your subtotal will be $25.90. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the buy 2, get 1 free on the dog and puppy chow, 75 cents off 1 dog chow, the 175 off 1 puppy chow, the 3 off 1 Nivea lotion, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, and the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B products. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $1.40 for 10 items, making each one just 14 cents each. Alright guys, so that's it for our 5 of $25 scenarios for this week. But before you go, I wanted to talk about a couple of quick things. So in my scenarios for this week, I included 6 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 each, right? So I figured that was kind of a pretty good middle ground number. Hopefully most of y'all will be able to find at least 6 of those toothpaste. If you can find the full 10 and take advantage of that extra $2 in overage, you definitely go ahead and do that. Or you can save those 4 toothpaste for next Saturday because the P&G glitches usually stick around for the entire month. Now, on the flip side of that, I know that there's going to be people out there who can't find the Crest toothpaste in their dollar aisle this weekend. And if that is you, there's a couple of things that you can do. Number 1, go back and check out my good deals and glitch list video because in those videos, I give y'all some other options, different products that you can mix and match, and you can come out with some free products plus give you some overage as well. Okay, so let's say you find one of the Crest toothpaste in the dollar aisle for $1, then you could go and pick up a couple of the toothbrushes and get some freebies plus some overage with those toothbrushes as well. So there's definitely other options out there besides just picking up 10 tubes of Crest toothpaste. Now, your other option is, hey, just hang on to those coupons and wait around for next weekend. Hopefully your store will restock, right? Or you could just use one of those coupons this weekend, save your 3 off 2 or your 5 off 3 or your 6 off 4 for another weekend, right? You don't have to use all of these coupons all at once. Again, those P&G glitches usually last all month long. Now, there's a third side to this coin, and I know that makes 0 sense, but we're just going to roll with it. So, if you have already used up all of your Crest and Oral-B coupons, I know that several of y'all went out at the first of the week and you took advantage of that overage and you got some good deals. So if you've already used up your Crest and Oral-B coupons, you definitely need to go back and check out my good deals and glitch list video because we have so many great coupon matchups this week that I had to break it up into a 2-part video. So definitely go back and check out those videos if you've already used up those coupons and you need some good substitutions, all right? So I'm going to leave both of those videos linked down in the pinned comment below. And if you've never heard of a P&G spin deal, you definitely want to go and check out part 2 because I do talk about how those spin deals work and how we can take advantage of those extra savings. Alright, and one last thing before I go, I do want to apologize that I did not have time to get all the individual pictures of the coupons for each scenario for y'all in this video. Honestly, guys, this week I have just been trying to kind of recoup a little bit. The Dollar General clearance event, man, it just wore me out. I think I ended up making over 500, probably close to 600 individual screenshots within like 3 days. So I literally worked my tail off, and this week I'm just trying to kind of take it easy. So just bear with me. Next week we'll be back in business and I'll have those pictures up for y'all. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so because we are so close to hitting 20,000 crazy couponers and you know you want to be a part of our crazy couponing family here. So go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.